Prior to installation, verify that the existing fixture has power. If the light does not turn on, try using another light bulb. If the light still does not turn on, use a voltmeter and check the splices. Once verified, turn off all the power to the light fixture. Remove the current lamp and trim to reveal the 6-inch junction box and wiring. If necessary, connect any appropriate adapter at this point. An Edison adapter is most common and included in the conversion kit. GU24 and ideal male-to-male adapters are also available for purchase if your installation requires it. Next, loosen one of the 6-inch can mounting screws and connect the ground wire terminal to the housing. Push the retrofit kit into the ceiling opening until it is secure and flush with the ceiling plane. Secure the mud plate to the ceiling using the 6 included screws. Smoothly apply joint compound to the mud plate and ceiling until it is completely covered. Wait for it to dry, then sand. Reapply as needed. 2 applications are typically required. Feather to ensure it is level and evenly applied. Sand over the mudded region so the surface transitions smoothly. Paint the ceiling. Remove the orange cap before the paint dries to ensure paint does not peel when the cap is removed. Once the paint is dry, you are ready to install the module. Align the trim onto the module and turn it clockwise until it's secure. Connect the ground wires. Plug the module and housing connectors together. Place the module into the housing and press the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. The kit is also compatible with other DMF 4-inch trims. In the rare occurrence that you need to access the J-box, the 3 screws securing the collar can be removed to provide improved access. As always, the M-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. M-Series, our most versatile product offering.